So how hard do you work on the language you use when you use a microphone? I don't know about you, but I learned early on from my father and my days in radio that words matter. Words make you look a certain way. Words fall to the ears a certain way to different clients, to the people listening to you. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks again for checking out my little podcast, and of course being nice to my sponsor, Electro Voice. I also have a workshop. If you want to know more about it, check it out. Anyway, my point of this about the words matter thing is, it's not only that words matter, but how you use words and why you're using them. I mean, we've all heard the ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a part of things. Oh, you should avoid ladies and gentlemen. I don't know that that's necessarily true. You can use ladies and gentlemen. The problem lies in if you're using it as a throwaway. If it comes out of your mouth without thinking. A lot of guys will start every microphone with, well, or or ladies and gentlemen, at this time. I don't have a problem with those things. I have a problem with you doing them without thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to say ladies and gentlemen, is it because you're referring to those people as ladies and gentlemen? That you're actually speaking to the gentlemen in the room? Or are you just saying it out loud? If you're saying at this time, is it because that's the thing that came out of your mouth? Or because right now, at this very moment, at this time, see, there are two different things if you say ladies and gentlemen at this time or the other. How I do it is not necessarily what it's about. It's how you would do it by mindfully using the words that are necessary. And then using words with elegance or formality if in fact you're in an elegant and formal situation. There's a game that the bride and groom gave away at a wedding that I was at. You've seen these things. It's a board. It's a slanted board, wooden board. It's got a hole in it. It's got a logo. This one had a logo of their local college. Okay, so all our college friends are there, and they made these, and then they gave away tickets, and they raffled the thing off. It was a big deal. They raised some money for a charity. Now this game is called a bag toss. Okay, and I can say it's a bag toss. It's also referred to as cornhole. And most of the people in that area know this game as cornhole. Now, does it mean that I should say, we're giving away a cornhole game? No, I didn't think so. I called it bag toss. Why? Because the one person who doesn't understand what a cornhole game is, and you might be sitting here listening to this not knowing what a cornhole game is. It sounds a little odd. So choosing your words really carefully to be sure you don't call off having someone in the room thinking that you're going to have them play a game of cornhole with them in a way that might not be a way they want to play, even though that's not what you meant. That's what it's all, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Am I using my words correctly? I don't know. This is Bill. This is Creative License. And I'll see you next week from the road. Bye.